everybody. I just wanted to let everybody know we recently had our house washed by ClearView Services. Now, ClearView is a vendor that we've been supporting for quite some time in our office. I've never personally used them. We've referred them out to a couple clients, and my clients are just raving about them. So anyways, we decided, hey, let's go ahead and have them do our house. And man, what a difference. We had the sidewalks and driveways done. Obviously the whole exterior, and I'm going to kind of walk around and kind of show you what the house looks like and what a huge difference it makes. So I've got some before and after pictures that I'm going to show you, but look at that driveway. Look how bright it is. So anyways, I just wanted to show you that. So hang tight here and I'll kind of show you some before and after pictures. All right, you can see my little puppy dog in the background. Say hi, Brody. That's his hi. I'm going to show you this brick wall that we had done. Now you wait till you see the before pictures when I show you that brick wall. I mean, this was all pretty much green and kind of nasty, so they cleaned that all up. I'm going to go in the back too and show you the back deck, because the back deck was really pretty bad. We had to get that done too. So anyways, hang tight. All right, everybody say hi to Brody. Hi, Brody. Oh, he's on a leash. All right, let's go check out the rest of the house. I think it looks great though. Here, let me get you a wide range. The driveway, look at the driveway. I know there's some leaves and stuff on it, but you should have seen it before. Well, I'm going to show you the before picture, so hang tight. Alright, so I know I showed you the deck yesterday in the before pictures, but you know, this is after they power washed it. Yeah, we still need to, we have a lot of work to do on the deck. We're probably most likely going to have to replace all these boards and stuff like that. But anyways, the house looks great. Some of this, look at how clean that is. Those before pictures were nasty, way overdue. So yeah, even in real estate, you know, we try and keep our own personal homes nice and neat and looking absolutely 100%. But hey, you know, we get busy and things happen, and you know, things get away from us every once in a while, and we just have to come back and make sure we take care of everything. All right, so anyways, hopefully that was helpful for everybody. I just thought I'd share that. They did a great job. We're super excited and really enjoyed working with those guys. They were super nice, prompt. Explained everything they were doing for us, and their service was just great. So anyways, that was ClearView cleaning, power washing, and house washing services. So if you'd like any more information about them, we'll put a link in here, and obviously give us a thumbs up if you thought this was valuable, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hope everybody's having a good one. Talk to you soon. Thanks.